I am now at the border of Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth, guys. And I'm I'm right at one of my most favorite place to eat, which is what we call border, where you can get some of the best escovitch fish and bammy to buy. That is one of my favorite food. Yes, so on my way in just a couple minutes, I should be there on the spot, ready to dine. You can see some of the food vendors already, but that's not where I like to stop and buy my fish and bammy. Over there is the restroom areas. Yes, and these are some of the many stalls as you drive along. So I'm now deciding where exactly I'm going to stop. I'm with friends today, so Mr. Driver, choose a nice place where you can stop. Raquel, where do you want to stop? Can already see the excitement with the vendors coming out. Some are selling bammy, some have fish. I'm doing a YouTube video. If you want to be in it or you don't want to be in it. I'm doing a YouTube video, okay?
Are you getting any bammy?
We're gonna stop and buy some food, but give us a few minutes, please.
My name is Pauline with the bammy.
And I'm Sandy with the fish.
Okay. Alright. Alright, we're gonna decide where we're gonna eat.
Don't forget Sandy now.
Where and what. Alright. See how good those fishes look? All they need to do now is just put the escovitch sauce with the onions and the peppers, and then it's ready to go.
Water and drinks.
We'll soon get to that, Mom, okay? Yeah. It's now guinea season, and this is the guinea man, and this is one of my favorite fruits, so I'm doing a YouTube video, okay? Alright, wow, look at that beautiful fish. Miss, can you come down a little bit so I can get a nice view of the fish? Come down. Yes, wow, that is looking mouth-watering. Parrot is my favorite fish, okay?
Yes.
Alright, Miss Sandy, soon get to you. They have any fish tea out here? No, any fish tea today? I would drink some fish soup today. Alright, give us a little time, alright? Yes, and the food is just smelling delicious. Awesome. Let me get out of the vehicle, and so I can do a better videoing. As far as our eyes can see, there are vehicles lined out along the roadway, and those are all customers waiting to get their goodies. Fried fish and bammy. And this is another one of our authentic Jamaican foods. And see, right behind is a part of the sea. I'm not sure if this is where they catch the fishes, but it's surely a part of the sea. This is my friend right here. Yeah. It's a girl trip. It's a girl's day out. You're getting fish from Sandy? Oh, okay. No, well. I eat with my eyes, you know. So if there's anything in there that I see that I want, which is parrot, then we can buy fish from Sandy. And I love lots of onions and peppers and the vinegar sauce. And I'm gonna want some steamed bammies.
What you want, ma'am?
My driver went to Raquel. No, she went gone. Okay. Alright, alright. Who have fish tea? Where can I get some fish soup? Raquel, you have a good fish soup? Alright, we want some fish soup.
Alright, I'm right here.
Bearings,
Right.
we want fish tea. Back up and come now.
Red stripes, sorry beer, lemon, Heineken.
And this is what we call Bammy. Freshly made from cassava. Cassava root, some countries know it as yucca.
No, we don't want that one, you know. Yes, we don't know what size you want.
And this is guineps. They can be sweet and they can be sour. But before I buy, I like to taste one and see if it's as sweet as I would like it. And here's the man that's selling the fish soup. This is the fish soup vendor at Border.
You take only counter, Raphael?
Oh, he's Raphael.
Yes.
And you're Raquel.
You want this one? I want everything else.
I want one like that. And bearings, you want soup? You don't want no soup.
Okay, that's all good. We have fish and we have goat fish, right?
I'm at the fish place, so why would I want to drink any other soup than fish soup today, right? Don't fill up the cup too much, sir. And beg you a piece of napkin. All these good foods are cooked on wood fire. Oops, thank you. Like you fill it up too much.
How much will I go to that?
5.
And this is what we call fish tea in Jamaica. Or just fish soup. It's more like a broth. Mmm. This is my first meal of the day, so I'm sure to enjoy. I wish I could get a closer look at the water, but I would have to walk through the kitchens. I don't know if they'll allow me to. Can I walk through your kitchen, sir? All right, thank you. All right, thanks. Walking through the kitchen area. Everyone here cooks on wood fires. No indoor kitchen. But it gives the food a nice flavor with a hint of smoke. Wow. I've always stopped at Border to get food, but I've never came this close to the water. Those are some fishing boats over there. Some nice houses on the hill, on the hillside. Wow, look at that bird. That's what we call a blackbird here. This is so beautiful here. Very cool. Nature at its best. The vendors are singing to entertain the customers. We have birds chirping. Lots of many different entertainment here, I see. As I'm sipping on my fish tea, I'm enjoying the view. The birds flying around, trying to catch fish. The blackbirds eat scraps of whatever food people throws away. And here we have some birds on the ground as well. Whoa! What kind of birds are these, Raquel? It's my first time seeing these birds. Whoa! Let's see how close I can get to them, or they'll fly away. For my international viewers and subscribers, those that have never been to Jamaica before, have never seen this place before, maybe we'll never get the opportunity to stop at Border to get fry fish and bammy and see this wonderful view. Please enjoy my video as you watch. This is not a swimming beach, guys. No. This is where the fishermen dock their boats to head out to sea, where they will catch the fishes. The deeper part of the sea, which is all the way over there if you zoom in.
That's why this thing just said, before any of the children, pay by the website and beg bread. Heaven and earth shall pass away. Heaven and earth shall pass. Whoa,
That is coming from slavery. People sing.
Who is enjoying the view? Beautiful scenery, isn't it? Who is enjoying the singing in the background? Who is enjoying looking at the birds? Some are flying, some are walking on the ground. Who is enjoying looking at the water?
That's why we sing just say, before any of the children, pay by the website.
I will finish my soup before I move on to my fish and bammy. But it's very hot, so it will take some time. Driving to Border from Westmoreland, where I live, is on the south coast of the island. And it's in the parish of St. Elizabeth that adjoins to Westmoreland. So that's why it's hence the name Border. I'm surely enjoying my fish soup. See, it's going. All those goodies in the bottom of the cup. Veggies. Nice and windy. Look at the trees. The leaves are moving. Trees right around. These little birds are really cute. I wish I knew the names of them. I won't have this part of the soup. My friend over there getting some guineps. Are they sweet, Raquel? No, they're not. Let me taste one. Take all of this. Okay, well this one is not so bad, so then I'll taste one of this one. I think this one has 2 seeds in it. It's very big. This is how a guinea looks inside when you take off the peel, for those who don't know guineps. I think the second one is sweeter. The second guinea is definitely sweeter. These ones are sweeter. So I'll be buying some of this from the vendor. This is what it looks like from behind the stalls where they cook. These ones sweeter, Raquel?
Yeah.
The big one.
You know, really, I'm going to carrot.
We have to eat what's in season on our island. We won't import guinea, so when we have them in season, we eat them. In no time, the season will be up, and we have to wait until next year, August, around about this time, for them to ripe again, ready to eat again. I'll be heading out now to buy my fish and bammy. And so, to my viewers and subscribers, thanks for watching. I hope that you will enjoy this video. Please like, leave a comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and share my video. Thanks for watching. Do enjoy.